Get hard erections. How to get hard erections naturally for a pleasurable experience in bed. It is the most asked question by men worldwide. In this video, we bring you a few practical tips and natural supplements that will help you improve your bedroom experience. Before discussing natural supplements in detail, let's learn about the role of physical and mental health in improving your love life. Physical health. If you want to gain optimum hardness in bed to make pleasurable love, your physical health needs to be above average man. Weakness in nerves, obstructed blood flow, and weak or damaged tissues of male organs prevent a male from gaining optimum stiffness quickly to make gratifying love. These shortcomings may arise due to poor diet, unhealthy lifestyle, the habit of hand practice, smoking, etc. Take steps to improve your physical health by eating a nutritious diet and regular exercise. Stay away from unnatural activities like hand practice and from the fun of using recreational products. Mental health. Males need to focus entirely on the act to be highly pleasurable and satisfying. If your mind is distracted, your organs will not respond the way you want them to. Stress, anxiety, depression, fears, relationship issues, and other types of problems bring episodes of distraction to take away a male's ability to perform in bed. Psychological factors also jumble hormone release in a male's body that can be devastating not only for his mental health but potency and virility as well. Focusing on the action helps a male gain optimum hardness and perform in bed longer. Most males cannot gain the most out of their love life due to the stressed reproductive system. The weakness or slowness in gaining hardness in bed is a sign of a sluggish reproductive system. Lesser duration of lovemaking also suggests that a male's reproductive system needs support. The factors that deteriorate a male's physical and mental health also affect the performance of the reproductive system. Along with these, a few more issues may lead to an exhausted reproductive system and impotence. Males enjoy hand practice during young age and continue to enjoy it even after adulthood. Long association with this unnatural practice can cause damage to nerves and tissues of male reproductive organs, strain the prostate gland, and lower testosterone secretion. Too much involvement with erotic material brings several moments of intense excitement during the day without ejaculation. Such moments damage the delicate mechanism of the male reproductive system and raise signs of impotence. Recreational activities like smoking and drinking may not harm occasionally, but this habit negates a male's potency, stamina, and energy. These products increase free radicals in the body. Free radicals damage everything good for health, healthy hormones, nutrients, tissues, and cells, and speed up aging. These products also weaken the nervous system, negatively affecting males' performance in bed. How to overcome these issues? If you are suffering from signs of impotence and cannot perform in bed satisfactorily, proper steps and measures can help you get out of this condition quickly. Firstly, you need to stop doing all that is harmful to your potency. Take care of your diet, lead an active and healthy lifestyle, and if you cannot quit, at least curtail recreational products. You will need to quit the habit of hand practice porn material necessarily if you are involved with any of these. We recommend that you trust natural remedies for alleviating the problem quickly. Herbs work as highly effective natural remedies and clear out debilities, relieve disorders, and energize nerves and organs of the body. There are many trusted herbs that you can use to overcome weakness in the nervous, reproductive system and gain sound physical and mental health. Along with herbs, Ayurveda also recommends basmas as natural remedies for treating health problems. If you want to know how to get Tufan capsules and King Cobra oil at home discreetly, watch this video until the end. Use herbal supplements. We recommend herbal supplements to benefit from herbs without worrying about the purity, quantity, and combination. Tufan capsules come with a perfect blend of herbs and basmas suggested in Ayurveda for curing weakness in penile nerves, tissues, and the male reproductive system. These ingredients also invigorate other body systems and boost stamina, strength, and energy levels. The positive impact of these supplements provides a male sound mental health and relief from psychological issues that keep him distracted in bed. Tufan capsules promote hard and long-lasting erections in bed for gratifying lovemaking and also provide renewed vitality and vigor. From day one, massage with King Cobra oil improves strength and sensation in your intimate organ. It dilates blood vessels to enhance blood flow, energize nerves and promote harder erections. The effect of this oil delays your climax and lets you perform for a longer duration. Regular use of these supplements makes you a much more capable lover in bed and improves your quality of life by enhancing your physical and mental health. These are safe remedies that do not cause any side effects. These can work even with any ongoing treatment or medication and provide long-lasting results. If you eat a supportive diet and lead a healthy lifestyle, the good results of these supplements stay with you forever in life. World's finest erectile dysfunction supplements.
%100% herbal ingredients. 100,000 plus happy customers. GMP certified quality. +80 countries presence.
Buy Tufan capsules and King Cobra oil from naturogain.com. The product link is given in the video description.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related video for more information and health tips.